morning, guys. So you saw from yesterday, Bigglesworth dropped us off at the here in Bethel, and so Random and I just had a good night after basically avoiding the storms. Today, although it doesn't look like it, the sky looks beautiful. It's supposed to start raining around like 11 today, and then rain through the day. Then tomorrow, which is Sunday, the 29th of July, through Wednesday, it's supposed to be sunny. So we're trying to figure out exactly what we want to do. We got to go to the library right now. Hopefully I'll be able to upload a video while we get other stuff done. And then we're looking for some kind of shuttle or something to get us back onto trail. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna go in the library here, and then we'll bring you back up when we figure out exactly what we're doing, getting on the trail. Okay guys, it's 11:40. We came out of Bethel. Bruce, the shuttle driver who picked us up at the Portland airport, he picked us up again, brought us to the trailhead here at Grafton Notch, and now we don't know, maybe we're shooting for the next notch, which is near Andover. That's 10.5 miles, but getting to start at noon makes that a challenging day given the miles we've been doing. So we'll just see.
And the rain.
Yep, it's supposed to rain again today at some point. So we'll have a chance to soak our shit. That'll be good. But we've got two big hills, mountains. Right now, got to get it up over 4170, I think. It's the second summit. How you guys doing?
Very well.
So we'll get on it and bring you up when there's something interesting.
Yeah, I was thinking about wearing a kilt.
You should, my brother. I'm telling you.
But what if you're sliding on rocks? Does it not get like ripped up?
The same as anything else. Shorts. It's just like shorts. You're not sliding on rock anyway. You're supposed to be climbing rock.
Oh, but well, if you're protecting your knees though, because it's a long.
Hey guys, we haven't given you too much lately. It was pretty rough terrain, so we just needed to try to get some miles in. Like I said, we started at like 11:30 or something. So we've done pretty well. Right now, will not shock anybody that we're trying to outrun a storm. Anyway, had a little bit of sprinkles, but nothing too much yet, so we're happy about that. I think we have like a mile and a half maybe to go. That's it. The trail's been pretty good to us the last hour, I would say. We've fallen each a couple of times coming down some slippery hills, but they haven't been long sustained hills, and so probably going a little too fast down them. And you can see Random back there like a trooper. So what we're looking to do is, we've been back and forth all day about what exactly to do, but I think we've decided that we're going to camp tonight because there was supposed to be no rain. It was supposed to be a nice night going into 3 days of clear weather. I don't know, you know, these thunderstorms are sporadic, so may not even touch us. Hopefully not. And then we'll be able to keep our stuff dry and just get a good night's sleep. And then we were thinking about, we were originally talking about just going down to East B Hill, which would be to go into Andover. But then somebody told us that there was another notch 10 miles on that also goes into Andover. So we thought, well, let's get the 2 10-mile days in and then go into Andover and then slack from there for as many days as it takes us to get close enough to the 100-mile wilderness. I mean, I realize that's a long way, so we could be slacking for 5 or 7 days. But that way we can keep on schedule for doing the 100-mile wilderness and Katahdin by the 15th. We'll do what we can. But definitely the math is not adding up. So these are waterfalls coming down to East B Hill Road. Pretty little canyon here. Alrighty, here we go. Random's just enjoying the sight and sound. She'd like to take a bath. Look at this. It's a dirty business, this hiking. Girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Cheers, guys. Oh, yeah. This is how you start dinner.
Okay, so I need...
Yeah. Here's the cook setup. Over there's our tent. Got it kind of nestled in the spot right there. But I want to show you, this is right at the falls, guys, that you just saw the pictures of. But I want to show you, the sunset's behind us and we can't really see it, but look at that. Is it picking it up? It doesn't look like it's picking it up. I hope that's picking it up. And then let me show you. This is the waterfalls right there. So that's what we're going to be sleeping to tonight. And here's the trail. There's where we crossed.
was shown down there where we had to come up.
And here's the hill you have to come up to get here. And there's the trail on the other side. Not a bad spot, huh? See if I can't give you a little how you doing. From this peak over here. So there is the small falls. They go down into that big cavern. You see that? That's what I tried to show you before. You come back to the small falls. And then up the creek bed. Pretty nice. And then over to our campsite, nestled in there, in our cook site.